Mel B and her estranged husband Stephen Belafonte were finally granted a divorce in court on Friday, ending 9 months of bitter court battles and mudslinging. And in an exclusive interview with DailyMail.com outside Los Angeles Superior Court, a beaming Belafonte, 42, said, "This is the most beautiful present I could wish for. I'm newly single and ready to mingle." America's Got Talent judge Mel, real name Melanie Brown, 42, was not in court to hear Judge Mark Jewes declare the dissolution of the couple's troubled 10-year marriage. Belafonte, dressed in a charcoal gray suit and black tie, huddled behind closed doors with his lawyers, brother and sister team Grace and Basil Jamra, and Mel's attorney Claudia Osuna for more than 90 minutes before stepping into Judge Jewes' courtroom. And Grace Jamra immediately went on the attack, accusing Mel of numerous violations of a settlement agreement the couple made last November 8 when the singer dropped her domestic violence restraining order against Belafonte. In that deal, the couple agreed to share custody of their 6-year-old daughter Madison, with Belafonte having the child on alternate weekends and Wednesdays. They also agreed to put their $6 to $8 million mansion on the market and share the proceeds. But according to Jamra, Mel has been preventing Belafonte from seeing his daughter, often taking her out of state or out of the country, and has also been dragging her feet in putting the house on the market. Cash offers of $6 million and above have been falling by the wayside because Miss Brown is not motivated to sell the house, Jamra told the court. Mr. Belafonte wants to fix the house up, show it, and sell it. Mel's attorney, Claudia Osuna, countered that the British singer frequently travels with her children and shouldn't have to rely on Belafonte for her movements. And regarding the couple's former marital home, Osuna told the court, Miss Brown has had offers for the house. Judge Jewes settled the custody issue by making the original agreement, Belafonte getting custody alternate weekends and Wednesdays, a court order. Which means that from now on, if Mel wants to take Madison out of the country, she will have to ask Belafonte's permission. The judge also settled the house sale issue by ordering that the realtor handling the sale should let Mel and her lawyers know of any offer within 24 hours of receiving that offer. After today's hearing, Belafonte told DailyMail.com, "I am happy. I got everything I wanted. She put me through the worst hell ever. But now it's all over, I hope. She was trying to stop me from seeing my daughter, but now after today, with this judgment, if she tries to do that again, she will be in contempt of court. And also, after today, I can get on with selling the house without Mel standing in the way." Belafonte said he believes he can get $8 million for the lavish 4-bedroom house. But whatever the property, which he said is free and clear with no mortgage, sells for, he will split with his now ex-wife. Mel has also agreed to pay $200,000 of Belafonte's attorney fees by February 8, and the couple will split the proceeds from the sale of several businesses they started during their marriage. He denied recent reports that Mel B is paying him $15,000 a month for 3 years. "It's actually much more than that," he said. DailyMail.com understands that Belafonte will likely walk away with around $9 million from the marriage once the sale of the house and other business interests have been divided. After leaving court, Belafonte posted a photo of Martin Luther King Jr. on Instagram and wrote, in the immortal words of the late great Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., "Free at last. #celebration time, sick." During the bitter and protracted court battle, the singer accused Belafonte of tormenting her with years of mental and physical abuse and slapped him with a temporary domestic violence restraining order. She also claimed her husband drugged her throughout most of the relationship. Belafonte vehemently denied the allegations, and his lawyers dismissed her claims as nothing more than a smear campaign. The producer claimed Mel had suffered from cocaine and alcohol addiction, saying they were a major issue in their marriage. It has also been said that Mel led an extravagant lifestyle and had wiped out her $50 million Spice Girls fortune. Mel, now a judge on America's Got Talent, married Belafonte in Las Vegas in June 2007. She filed for divorce on March 20 this year, citing irreconcilable differences and detailing allegations of domestic abuse. After 9 months of nasty courtroom drama, the couple came to a private settlement last month, 2 days ahead of a domestic violence trial. In a video statement, he said his family has been restored and he's glad the cloud of suspicion of domestic violence is no longer hanging over his head. "Today's a beautiful day, I'm just leaving court, you know what I've got to tell you, I'm the happiest guy in the world today," he said. "It's about family, family has been restored, You know I want to thank my family lawyers because they are a family and helped me mentally and legally. I'm just glad the cloud of suspicion of domestic violence is no longer over my head and my God, Angel I love you, Madison I love you, Phoenix I love you, Giselle I love you. I love my children. Belafonte lost contact with his stepdaughter Angel, Eddie Murphy's daughter with Mel, despite raising her from birth. And he was only allowed to see biological daughter Madison once a week in supervised visits. He added, "It's hard out here to be a man who wants to step up and be a father, but you know what? You persevere and you get there in the end. Thank God, I really appreciate any love and support I've gotten through this time, and like I said, God bless." After the couple came to a settlement, a judge canceled the domestic violence restraining order against Belafonte. Mel also came to a settlement with her former nanny Lorangea last month. The star dropped her domestic violence restraining order